Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to sign a document through an SMS on a mobile device using BoldSign. BoldSign provides a secure and user-friendly mobile experience that enables users to sign documents effortlessly from their mobile devices. With BoldSign's mobile accessibility, signers can review, fill out, and complete documents anytime, ensuring legally binding signatures easily and conveniently. Imagine a scenario where a tenant receives an SMS signature request from a rental company and needs to sign the document on the go. With BoldSign, the tenant can quickly review and sign the rental agreement document anytime, from anywhere, using their mobile device, ensuring a smooth and convenient rental process. Whenever a signature request is sent through an SMS, the signer receives a text message with a link to the document. Both BoldSign account holders and non-account holders can sign the document by tapping the link. In this case, a tenant receives an SMS signature request from the rental company, asking him to sign a rental agreement. Let me show you how the tenant would sign the document through his mobile device. When I tap the provided link, I am directed to the signing page, where I can review and complete the signature process. On this page, I must agree to the terms and conditions before signing the document. This includes accepting the BoldSign electronic signature disclosure terms, which must be read and accepted before proceeding. Additionally, there is an option to change the language of the BoldSign application, with 15 supported languages. After reviewing the terms, I select the checkbox by tapping the checkbox, and then tap the Continue button. Here you can also change the language of the signing page. To access the available signer action options, tap the context menu. The available options include Download document to save the document to your mobile device, Reassign to delegate the signing request to someone else, Decline to reject the request if you do not wish to sign the document, Save to save your progress on the document, See Shortcuts to see the available keyboard shortcuts you can use while signing, and the More Info option, which gives additional details about the document. After reading through the document, I tap Start Signing, which directs me to the phone number field as the first field. The name and email form fields are automatically populated. I need to fill out the remaining fields. I fill in the phone number and then move to the next field by tapping the Next Field button. Next is the Signature field, where I add my signature by tapping it. I can choose from an auto-generated signature, draw my signature digitally, or upload an image. For this example, I select an auto-generated signature. When the document opens for signing, the Date Signed field is automatically filled with the date and time I opened. After completing all required fields, I review the document again and tap the Finish button. The document is now successfully signed. A completion SMS is then sent to the signer, containing a link to view and download both the signed document and the audit trail. That summarizes how to sign documents on mobile devices using BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.